The CAB file type is a Windows cabinet file. It's an archive used by Windows installers. You can actually double-click it to explore the contents just like a folder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look inside. I call this the last resort solution for those CAB files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A Windows Cabinet .CAB file is an archive format used by Microsoft Windows for distributing software and system files. CAB files can contain multiple compressed files, reducing the overall size for easier distribution. They are commonly used for installing device drivers, system components, and software updates within the Windows operating system. CAB files use compression algorithms like LZX or MSZIP to reduce file sizes. They can be extracted using built-in Windows tools or third-party archive utilities. CAB files may also contain digital signatures to verify the integrity and authenticity of the contained files, ensuring they haven't been tampered with. Technically, the best program for CAB is usually Microsoft Windows from Microsoft. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows shows minimal information for compressed formats, so proper handling relies on extraction software. Go to the file and right-click your CAB file, then click Open with, prioritize Microsoft Windows if you see it. If not, select any program on the list. A little trial and error is expected here. If you still can't open the CAB file, it's okay. A format as specific as CAB will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, use Windows Explorer. Open the file by double-clicking it in Windows Explorer, which handles extraction, or use the extract command in Command Prompt. Next, use Archive Extractor. Use a robust archive utility like 7-zip to browse and extract the contents. Finally, check for corruption. If the file fails to open, try re-downloading it or running the associated installer to use a clean copy. If your current apps can't interpret your CAB file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When it's time to stop the troubleshooting, your one-click fix is a universal viewer. I recommend FileMagic. It opens almost any CAB format. Get it at FileMagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this. Have a great day.